how to clean out your arteries and reduce the risk of heart disease. Clogged arteries are one of the biggest threats to your heart, but with the right foods, you can protect your arteries, you can reduce plaque buildup, and you can lower your risk of heart disease. Why plaque forms? Plaque is a mix of cholesterol, calcium, and proteins. It builds up inside your arteries over time. This narrows blood flow and increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. It often starts with inflammation or damage inside the artery wall. Too much sugar, processed foods, alcohol, and seed oils all make it worse. Diabetes or prediabetes also increase the risk. Once the wall is damaged, cholesterol and calcium act like a band-aid. They stick to the site and form plaque. Add small, dense LDL particles and clots, and the risk grows. Key nutrients for protection. Vitamin K2 directs calcium into your bones, not your arteries. Vitamin C strengthens blood vessels and prevents oxidation. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that protects artery walls. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and improve circulation. These are the foundation of artery health. Best foods for clean arteries. 1. Salmon. Wild-caught salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It lowers inflammation, supports the heart muscle, and lowers blood pressure. 2. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a fermented cabbage. It's packed with probiotics, vitamin C, and vitamin K2. It helps balance gut bacteria and protects artery walls. Just a few spoonfuls daily can make a big difference. 3. Arugula. Arugula is a powerful salad green. It supports the liver, balances blood sugar, and lowers blood pressure. It's high in potassium, which keeps arteries soft. Top it with olive oil, vinegar, sunflower seeds, and garlic. 4. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Authentic Parmigiano Reggiano from Italy is rich in vitamin K2. It also provides protein and probiotics. Just a few shavings add flavor and protect your arteries. 5. Garlic. Garlic can thin the blood and lower blood pressure. It is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. It even helps break down harmful biofilms. A perfect heart-healthy meal. Start with a big arugula salad. Add olive oil, vinegar, sunflower seeds, garlic, and Parmigiano cheese. Serve it with wild-caught salmon. And add a few spoonfuls of sauerkraut on the side. This meal is delicious and protects your arteries. Heart is not just about avoiding bad foods. It's also about adding the right ones. By eating salmon, sauerkraut, arugula, Parmigiano cheese, and garlic, you give your body vitamin K2, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3s, and probiotics. These are nature's best tools to protect your arteries. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Golden Age Wellbeing TV for more health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.